everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can export your private key on Solflare app. It is quite a simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is obviously launch the app. Then it will take you to the main page of the app. Now what you're going to do is tap on the hamburger icon that you can see on the top left corner of your phone right here. Tap on it. And here you can see under recovery phase, there is main wallet. In order to export the private key, what you have to do is slide right the main wallet, just like this. And here you can see the pencil icon, tap on it. And then tap on export private key. And here you can see the private key is now blurred. In order to see it, what you're going to do is tap on show. And then enter your passcode. And here you will be able to see your private key. In order to copy it, simply just tap on the option copy right here. And now you have successfully copied your private key on your clipboard. In order to hide it again, what you're going to do is tap on this hide button that you can see right here. And here you can see it is now blurred again. And just like this, you have successfully exported your private key on Solflare app. Wasn't it easy and simple? I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.